Well, welcome to day 2. Today we're gonna go, I think we're on the interstate going the wrong way, but we're gonna go to the zoo down there in Washington where everything's red. It'll be very exciting. We wanna see, what do we wanna see? The pandas? Yep. She hates sloths and likes pandas for some reason.
Now bear left. Now turn left. In 500 feet, your destination will be on the right. Now your destination is on the right.
The supercharger in Frederick, Maryland? At a Wawa. Like an hour from DC. Very exciting. Oh, we're done. My car's broken. Bad news. The autopilot computer keeps overheating. At least I think it did again. Once or twice. It's getting above 80 or 90, the warnings are. Guess we're gonna have to go. It's 84 right now. Guess we're gonna have to tell Tesla and get a new computer. Do you want a new computer? Look at it, it's broken. Broken. There's a room and parking lot. Oh my gosh.
Oh, look at their little beds over here.
Now turn right onto Royal Robin Lane. Now turn right to stay on Royal Robin Lane.
I found it.
Good job.